There's nowhere you can hide, Spartan. Put as much distance between you and the truth as you want. It changes nothing. Pretend to be everything you are not. Teacher, husband, father. But there is one unavoidable truth you will never escape. You cannot change. You will always be a monster.
I know. The longer you wait to tell him his true nature, the more damage you do. He will resent you, and you may lose him forever.
And here I thought your kind was supposed to be so enlightened, so much better, so much smarter. And yet you hide out here in the woods like a coward.
You do not want this fight.